Hi, I'm RJ and welcome back to my Mythos. Today I have another unedited-ish Glossybox unboxing for you, so let's dive straight in. So, this is the February 2022 UK edition Glossybox and it's another special edition. This one is the Timeless Beauty edit and it's come in a very classy, nice black and white box. There were two editions, so I've obviously got black with white text. There was also a white with black text. Apparently the insides are exactly the same no matter what you got. So whichever version you have got or you receive, you should get exactly what's in here. So there are 5 products in here. I don't think there's any submissions this month from what I've seen on social media already. Or that there isn't meant to be any submissions this month anyway. We shall see, eh? So as last month, they've gone online with their little leaflet. So I've got my tablet where I've scanned the card already. I have actually already looked in this just to see what was there and get a bit prepared. I've done my makeup accordingly. There are 3 products that I will be testing out live for you and a couple of products that I'll just give an update on probably in the comments at some point. So yes, let's get unboxing. Okay, so this is the inside of the box. So let's see what all these little things are. So first on the leaflet is the Rituals Cosmetics, the Ritual of Meher Sparkling Hair and Body Mist, which is this little guy here. So that is a mood and soul energizing hair and body mist, celebrating the joy that comes from the bold, bright energy of the sun. It sounds like it's basically just a fragrance spray, so a body spray, but one you can use in your hair as well. This elegant and mood-enhancing scent of sweet orange and cedarwood, or cedarwood, I'm never sure how to pronounce that. It's perfect for fragrancing your hair, skin and surroundings. Okay, this is a Deluxe Mini, 20ml worth £5.90, full size would be 50ml worth £17.50. There is also a 20% off code for rituals.com. If you use code GBTT2022 on rituals.com, you can get 20% off site-wide until the 31st of March 2022. So somebody make use of that because I won't. Right, let's have a go with this. So I'm just gonna spray it in my hair, see how it goes. Okay, so it sprays just like a normal body spray. Oh, it does smell nice. You can definitely taste. Don't taste it. Definitely do not taste this. You can definitely smell the orange. Oh, that's nice, that. I like it. That would be very good for like those between days, you know, when you've not washed your hair because it's all right, or you might get away with dry shampoo. Just a little spritz of that. That makes it smell like you've, you know, actually tried. It's a very strong fragrance, so I don't think you'd want to do both hair and body. Might be a bit overwhelming, but yeah, it's not bad. It's cute. Yay, it's good for probably in your handbag for an on-the-go sort of update. So yeah, that's all right, that one. Let's see what's next. Sorry if I sound a bit out of sorts today. I'm having one of those weird days. So let's see how this turns out. Okay, so next on here is whoosh, mini liquid eyeliner from Illamasqua. Now, Glossybox are nothing if not good for giving us Illamasqua products, and I like good Illamasqua product, so I am never going to complain about this. So this is a deluxe mini worth £10. A full size would retail for £21. It's a basic liquid eyeliner pen. It's meant to be seriously smudge proof. So well, let's see if that works. Now, as you can see, I've got some makeup on at the moment. This is the Revolution XX Envy palette that I'm still trying to make work in anything other than a toxic wasty look. If you watched my lip skip review, It's the same eyeshadow palette I'm wearing in there. It's possibly even the same eye look I'm wearing, to be fair. But anyway, that's not what we're here to talk about. So let's try out this liquid eyeliner. So it's 1.2 ml or 0.04 fluid ounces. And it's got a little felt tip style applicator. So yeah, let's see if I can actually do anything with this. It's a while since I've worn liquid eyeliner. Going for the bat eye wing, because I do have hooded eyes. That goes on really nicely. And I'm managing to do it without pulling my eyes into weird shapes, which is always nice. Okay, so let's do a little bit of a wing there, just a very small wing. Because when you've got dramatic colours on your eyes, you don't really need a dramatic wing as well. Let's do the other side now. This is the side I'm less confident on. So let's see if I can get it to work. Oh, my eye is already watering. That's never a good sign. That's not because of the eyeliner, by the way. That is just because this eye waters terribly. It's one of the reasons why I don't really wear liquid eyeliner as much anymore, because it does just come off. So if this is sort of smudge proof, I'm hoping that means it's waterproof as well. We shall see. I'll update. Anyway, carry on. The nib on this is actually really nice. It's quite a solid one, so it's not sort of wobbling all over as I'm trying to do my eye, which is nice because, like, I normally have to do the pull your eyes out thing. So the fact that I've managed to actually use that, do my eyes with them still being open while trying to film a video, that's definitely a good sign. My wings are a little bit uneven, but that's just life. Let me put my specs on and just make sure I've done it right. Oh yeah, okay, that's good. Okay, it's a very solid black. There's no sort of patchiness there. Went on really easily. I've never used Illamasqua's liquid eyeliner before. I've used a lot of their lipsticks, a few of their foundations, but have heard people mention how good this is, so yeah, I'm sold. That's really nice. It would be nice to have a full-size one, but I suppose the joy of minis is that they don't dry up if they don't get used. You feel a bit better about throwing them away every, what, 12 months? 6 months. Ooh. I have some liquid eyeliners I really need to throw out. But yes, yeah, that one's good. I enjoyed that. Okay, so the next thing in here, let's have a look, is Vegan by Happy Skin Original Skin Essence Toner. So that is this. Now, I've never heard of the brand. This retails for $34.99 and it contains 100ml. So for that price, it better be good. Now, I've not really used toners very much. This one claims to have ingredients that are known for skin soothing, including aloe vera juice, chamomile and calendula. And it's an antioxidant-rich formula, which makes skin feel softer, as well as nourished and calm. So that's good. I am an acne-prone person, and I know aloe vera is one of the things that really does help my skin. And I have been meaning to add a toner to my skincare routine ever since starting to watch James Welsh, who bangs on about toners. I was fully in the toners aren't worth it camp, but you know what? I'm willing to be be proven wrong. I'm 34 now. I need to actually start giving a damn about my skin. So I will try this out when I remove my makeup tonight, and I'll put a comment or pin a comment down there, let you know what I think about it. But yeah, it's an expensive toner. So two really good and one okay so far. Let's see what is next. So next we have Another item from the Beauty Crop, who we've had quite a few things from that I really have liked. The lip oil that they do is amazing. And I got that in a Glossybox as well. But this is the BFF Brow Mascara. So it's just a clear brow gel by the looks of it. For big bushy brows that will stand the test of time. I don't have much eyebrow hair, and I look like I've got no eyebrows even when I do have eyebrow hair, so we'll test them on that one. Use alone or over your favourite brow pencil or powder. Blah, 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 blah. It's good for the health of your eyebrows, got castor oil in to help hairs grow thicker and more lustrous, with vitamin E to nourish each hair strand for volume. That might be a good thing, because, as I said, I don't have many eyebrow hairs. I can't even claim to be a victim of the 90s overplucking, because I've just never had much eyebrows. I do quite regularly get bored of my eyebrows being such a mess, and I shave them off. If you see most of my recent pictures on Instagram, I've started using Glisten eyeliners, tablet eyeliners, to draw them on, and oh my god, it's amazing. I'm not using one of them, so at the minute I've just got my eyebrows. These are just completely natural. Oh, they are actually showing up on camera. That's good. They didn't used to. I used to just look like an alien. But let's try slinging some of this through it. Let's see if it does anything. Let's move the fringe out the way and we'll have a look at this. I feel like I look really weird with these minimal eyebrows on now. I never did anything to my eyebrows for years and years. And then I started following people on Instagram, watching people on YouTube, and now I look really weird without eyebrows. Anyway, ooh, that is a sticky, gloopy formula. Don't know if you can see that. There's some definite resistance as you push it back in there. So you shouldn't do that because that makes air bubbles in things. So we'll not do that. Okay, so it's a tiny little brush. Normal little spoolie. And let's see. Now I have no idea what I'm doing when it comes to brow gel. So if I'm doing anything particularly ridiculous, please feel free to tell me in the comments. I'm just going to brush them up. And then tidy them down a little bit, see what happens. Okay, so that just looks like I've put gel in my eyebrows. Which, yes, I know, you have just put gel in your eyebrows, RJ. That's what you've literally just done. Oh, I don't like it. Don't like it, I don't like it. Okay, I think it's a good product. It's doing what it says it needs to do. Like, it really does, like, push the eyebrows up, and it did seem to stick them into place very nicely. I'm sure for those of you who know how to do your eyebrows, that's something that you'll appreciate hearing. I could do the werewolf brow thing. She says, looking at the camera as if you can even see. I don't know how useful that is for anyone. And then I'll just brush it back down. Yeah, I'm not a fan. It's not my product at all. It's not left any clumps or any weird flakes or anything in my eyebrows, which I know is a problem with brow gel. But yeah, it's not me. I don't think I will be getting much use out of this, unfortunately. Which is a shame, because like I say, I don't think it's that it's a bad product. I think it's just that it's not a product that I use in my repertoire. So I will go and put my pink eyebrows back on after I've finished filming this. So yeah, it's cute, and look, it's all Valentine's themed. It's got little hearts on it, and that's really sweet. And this retails for £5, so I'm not mad that it's something I'm not going to use. I will keep it, just in case. Like, I might try it over a pencil, see if that does make a difference. But yeah, nah, not bothered for it. What's the last thing? So the last thing we have in here is from We Are Paradox, 2 X's. This is a 3-in-1 hair conditioner. Luscious locks are a must in any elegant beauty look, and this conditioner is the hair hero you need to know about. That sounds good, doesn't it? So it's a conditioner that works to detangle, soften and repair damaged hair while acting as a nourishing hair mask and a finishing cream to banish frizz and flyaways. Your hair will never have felt so healthy, full and hydrated. Okay, so it's a hair mask basically. You can use it as... Also, it says on the back here you can use it as just a basic conditioner, or you can use it as an actual mask and leave it on overnight, or you can use it as a styling cream. 3 in 1. I get it now. Okay. I'm always happy to receive stuff like this because, you know, I do nothing to my hair except dye it funny colours. So yeah, any kind of help I can get with hair health, great. I will probably try this out as a mask, just because, yeah, the smoothing it down overnight and giving it a bit of a treatment, that appeals to me. Is it sealed? Oh, it's sealed, unfortunately. I was going to do a sniff test, but I don't want to open it until I actually use it. Yeah, so that's cool. Hair mask. I'm down with that. This is a deluxe 50ml mini, which is worth £10.50. A full size will be 250ml, worth £20. So 5 times the size for twice the price. I think someone's lying about how much their minis are worth. But yeah, like I said, hair mask, yay, cool. Okay, so that is the 5 products that we got today. So the eyeliner is definitely the big win for me. And I do like the hair mask and the hairspray. And yeah, like I said, the toner is something that will be useful for me to use. Pose for a thumbnail. Doesn't use it for thumbnail. So yeah, this is what's in the Glossybox this month. It's a decent box, depends what you're into. I do like the mix of makeup, hair and skincare. I think that's a very good mix that Glossybox have come up with this month. And I'm looking forward to next month. Next month, according to the sneak peek in here, looks like it might be based around Alice in Wonderland. So let's just have a scan. Yes, it's called Glossy Wonderland next month. And the sneak peek is a liquid highlighter, which I'm a little bit dubious about. I'm not great with liquid highlighters, but the box does promise to explore your playful side with pops of colour, so I am excited about that. Maybe we'll get some makeup that isn't just boring ass shades of beige. Anyway, I hope you have enjoyed your visit to my mythos. I hope that this was interesting for you, and I will hopefully see you in another video soon. See you later. Bye.